Hey there, this is Heidi Hood with H2 Home Designs, where I share my innovative and artful designs that hopefully inspire you in your home. Today I'm here to do a little wrap-up of the year 2020. It's been quite an adventure for me and my family as we have packed up everything that we own and we have moved it all the way across country and settled here in northern Wisconsin. So I thought it would be fun to put together sort of a compilation of all of the projects and the pieces that I've put together this year, and I wanted to take you along for the ride. Enjoy. So thank you so much for joining me as I took this little trip down memory lane today. It's been a real honor to be able to share my ideas with you, my followers, and my subscribers. I've got lots and lots of ideas to share with you this next year, so stay tuned. And if it's up to you, be the reason that someone smiles today. Thank you so much and take care.